In this video, I'm going to show you how to set gutter margins in Word quickly and correctly. If you've ever needed extra space for binding, printing booklets, reports, or double-sided documents, gutter margins are exactly what you need. This is a simple setting, but it can make a huge difference in how polished and professional your document looks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Word tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Word document. You can use a brand new blank document or an existing file that you want to adjust. Once your document is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. In some versions of Word, this may be called Page Layout, but it works the same way. This is where Word keeps the page setup options, including margins, orientation, and size. Next, click Margins. A drop-down menu will appear with several preset options like normal, narrow, and moderate. Those are useful for quick changes, but for gutter margins, you need more control. So scroll to the bottom of that menu and select Custom Margins. This will open the Page Setup dialog box, where you can manually adjust the page layout settings. Once the dialog box opens, look for the section that controls the margins. In that area, you'll see the standard top, bottom, left, and right margin values. But the setting we want here is Gutter. The gutter adds extra space to the inner side of the page, which is especially helpful when pages will be bound together. Now enter the gutter size you want. If you're printing a document for binding, you may only need a small amount of extra space, but the exact number depends on your document and printer setup. If you're not sure, start with the modest value and adjust later if needed. Word will apply that gutter space on top of your normal margins. After that, choose the gutter position. You'll usually see two options, left or top. Left is the most common choice for standard portrait documents that will be bound on the side. Top is useful when your document is in a different layout, such as when binding at the top edge. Choosing the correct gutter position makes sure the extra space appears in the right place. Before you finish, take a moment to review the rest of your settings. Make sure your margins still look correct, and if needed, check whether the gutter should apply to the whole document. Once everything looks good, click OK to save the changes. Word will now update your page layout using the gutter margin you selected, and that's it. You've now set gutter margins in Word. This is a really useful formatting trick for printed documents, class handouts, reports, manuals, and anything that needs to be bound or hole punched. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Word tips, formatting tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.